Deutsche Telekom AG Mobile Operator Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to Deutsche Telekom AG plans and offers can be found in the description. Deutsche Telekom is one of the largest and most advanced telecom providers in Europe, operating under the T-Mobile brand in multiple countries, including Germany, the US, and several European markets. It is known for its exceptional network coverage, industry-leading 5G deployment, and high-speed fiber optic infrastructure, ensuring fast and reliable mobile connectivity. Deutsche Telekom offers a variety of mobile plans, including prepaid, postpaid, and unlimited data options catering to both individuals and businesses. The company provides advanced features such as VoLTE, Wi-Fi calling, eSIM support, and robust international roaming services, making it a great option for frequent travelers. It is best suited for professionals, high data users, and those who prioritize premium network quality. Strengths include outstanding 5G availability, excellent call and data reliability, and top-tier customer service in many regions. Additionally, Deutsche Telekom invests heavily in innovation, offering smart home solutions, cybersecurity services, and entertainment bundles. However, weaknesses include premium pricing compared to some competitors, network congestion in certain high-traffic areas, and limited availability of budget-friendly plans. Despite these drawbacks, Deutsche Telekom remains one of the best choices for those seeking a high-performance mobile network with cutting-edge technology and strong global connectivity. If you're looking for a carrier with superior network quality and innovative services, Deutsche Telekom AG is a top contender. Check the links in the description for the latest plans and promotions.